You're watching Zara's Variety Channel. Hi there and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do a quick open boxing of the REEBOK Print Run 2.0 lightweight running shoe. We'll open up the box there. And these are in black. These are really great running sneakers. We just wanted to quickly open the box there, show you they got a nice rubber sole there. Very sharp looking. So, the sneakers, these are running shoes. They're pretty light, about 7.95 ounces. They have mesh and synthetic upper. They have a lace up closure. They're a round toe. You have the padded collar and tongue. And there's a nice fabric lining on the inside. And you have a cushioned footbed. And then you've got your synthetic sole in white, and very little flex there, not as much as some of the others, but very nice heel cup for extra support. And it also has the the EVA midsole. So really light, great shoe. We're gonna go ahead and model these for you on feet. There you go. You can tell they look really sharp with jeans, the denim. Very nice. The white soles are sharp. The black is very sharp. So there you have a quick review on the REEBOK Print Run 2.0 lightweight running shoe in men's. Go out and pick yourself up a pair. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.